Professor Beth Goring, and I am your HED 120-4861 summer instructor. So you're going to go to 4cd.instructure.com to get to our Canvas webpage for the college, and then once you do, you're going to find on your dashboard HED 120-4861, and you'll go ahead and click on that. You're going to use your Insight username and password to log into Canvas. Once you log in, you will come to our home page, and the home page has some information about our course, and it also has some information about my office phone, and so forth. But because it's summer, I don't have office hours and I don't answer my office phone. So if you want to contact me, please email me and we can set up an appointment to Zoom or to talk on the phone. At the bottom of the home page, there's a Start Here button, which will take us right into the first module. And it has just a lot of information about our course. It has this email orientation. It also has a meet and greet that you do not have to respond to. It's just a little bit about me. If you have a Mac computer, how to set up the Mac computer to do certain assignments. This is this video, how our course is set up in Canvas, and policies, communication, and so forth. So read through those. The next module is a syllabus module. There's a quiz that you need to take on the first day of class, which is June 28th. Here I try to provide some grading rubrics. So for the discussions, this is what I'm looking for in terms of your response. Here's a sample discussion, post, and responses to other students to help guide you in terms of the quality of work that I'm expecting from you. Here's the research paper grading rubric, and here's a sample of a research paper that a student wrote. And here's how to calculate your grade. Alright, when we get into the actual content material, Module 1 is going to be chapters 1 through 3, and I've organized each one of these modules exactly the same. So first you're going to have just a header, then the chapter outline. Here's my video lecture to you. These are some informational, small, short videos to watch. And then there's an assignment here, a discussion assignment. And then there's a chapter quiz. Then you're going to move on to chapter 2. Again, I have a video lecture, the outlines, chapter quiz. Then we have a video, outlines, assignment, chapter quiz. These down here are ungraded review question quizzes, so you don't have to submit these. These are just for your own benefit. So as you're learning, you can see if you're learning the specific points that are important for this course. The next module is due July 10th, and it's chapters 5 through 9. Again, I set things up the same way. I just want you to notice that even though chapter 4 is included right here, I am not testing you on chapter 4, but the information is there for you. Bless me. Here we have chapter 5, video outline, some information on how to do your diet analysis, your assignment, and then the quiz, and it keeps on going. All right. This is only a 4-week class, so we move pretty quick. On July 13th, you have your research project due. Here's the instructions on how to do it. Here's the grading rubric. Here's the actual Dropbox. Down here, we have a sample student paper. Here's a couple of different referencing styles because it's important, and here's some information about the Turnitin tool that we'll be using for this particular class. Alright, next module is Module 4, chapters 10 through 13. Again, it's due on the 17th. And then the final module is due on July 22nd, which is chapters 14 through 18. Well, I have provided chapters 19 through 22, but this is not assigned, but it is there for your benefit if you would like to learn about that information in those areas. So that's how the modules are set up. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and move into student view, and then over here on the left under the menu, you're going to notice that we have the home page, we have announcements. I will be sending out announcements probably at least 2 a week. Here we have a cyber cafe. This is just for the students to communicate with each other maybe to have study groups or to talk to each other, right? This is questions and answers, so if you have a quick question, you can go ahead and post it. Anybody in the class can respond. I will go ahead and monitor that too. Modules tab, which I've already gone through. Your grades, you want to go ahead and keep checking to make sure you didn't miss any assignments, and you can check your grades right there. And then we have a couple of other things. This is Professor Beth Loring's office hours. I do not have office hours in the summer, as I already stated, but if you want to talk with me, we can Zoom or we can talk on the phone, and that's the link that you will use to access. So that's how our course is set up in Canvas. I just wanted to quickly go over our syllabus. So here's our syllabus. You're going to need a computer and internet access. This is 100% online. Here's the same information about my contact information and my email address. As we go down here, I respond to emails Monday through Thursday, 8 to 5, but I try to stay on top of it, so I try to respond 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but that's just there. Here's the web address for our for the actual Canvas course, and again, you're going to log in using your Insight username and password. If you have any problems, you can contact the IT desk right down here with that phone number. They're very helpful. Here's some college important deadlines, so make sure that you know exactly when you can add, when you can drop, with or without W's. Down here we have our reading schedule, and then the next one is our DSPS. I fully support our DSPS, and I will provide any and all services that can help you be successful. You can go ahead and read through the course objectives, the course content yourself, and the textbook. Textbook is Rebecca Donatil, Access to Health, 16th edition, but if you are using a different edition, just make sure you check the chapter order, because sometimes they change the order of the chapters. Alright, and then here's more information about different assignments. And there's your research paper information. There's a grading policy and number of points possible. And that is it. So go ahead and read through the syllabus, make sure you understand it. If you have any questions, please email me and I'll be happy to respond to you. Otherwise, I will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.